Hey, good morning everybody. This is Organic Dairyman. Welcome to my channel today. Today is Friday, March 8th. Yeah, and I hope everybody's having a good day or you had a good day. I just obviously came out here to get the tractors plugged in like always, and it's a little bit warmer today. It's about 18 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's a heat wave compared to what we've had. I don't know. They're supposed to snow here starting tonight. I think it's supposed to start snowing. So yeah, basically they forecast another blizzard, a blizzard. So yeah, and as of right now, we haven't heard anything from any of the truckers if they're gonna come get the beans either. So I kind of doubt they're coming today. So I highly doubt. I'm not even gonna. I mean, if they show up, they show up. I guess we'll be ready for them. Won't take us long to get ready for them. So if they come. But anyways, yeah, we don't have much going on today, other than the fact too that actually I just remembered that I have to fix this. It's kind of dark. Yeah, I gotta fix that bearing today. Try to get that off. Yeah, as I showed you in yesterday's video, so shouldn't hopefully be too bad. Just depends on if I can get the locking collar off and the bearing, what's left of the bearing off too. That's usually a bugger. So sometimes you gotta take the torch and cut it off. But yeah, so other than that, there isn't a whole lot going on today that is at least as of right now, unless something comes up for today. Oh yeah, and I suppose too we're probably going to try to clean the snow out of that spot up there where we were working yesterday too. Get that snow cleaned out of there, and I'm sure that hay will be coming in next week. Oh, I smell pig this morning. That wonderful pig odor coming from that hog barn a mile away. Boy, that stuff smells really sweet. Yeah, not really that sweet at all. It's like, phew. Yeah, so anyways, oh yeah, yeah, we had a heifer calf last night too, so things got a bit later last night. I got to bed a little bit later because of that. She can't do the milking. I'm just looking in here. There's nobody else in here. There's another heifer that, well, she's outside now, I think getting water, but she's due here in any day now. But yeah, we had one heifer calf last night. Had a bull calf, so yeah. So we had to deal with that. Had to shave her, feed the new calf. So we got to bed a little bit later last night than what we normally do. But anyways, yeah, we'll see how things go here, and I'll check back with you. Okay guys, obviously I'm back in the barn here. I just wanted to quick show you the heifer that calved last night. Yeah, this is the one right here. She seems pretty docile. It seemed like she was too big of a trouble or anything last night. She seemed like she was just kind of calm and everything. So yeah, we got her all shaved up because she was kind of hairy. Always they get too hot in the barn. Yeah, so we got another new cow in the barn with a new mom, and I'll show you the calf down here quick. I think today, being it's going to be a little bit warmer today. Yeah, here's the new guy. Yeah, how are you today? Yep, we got this calf fed its colostrum milk last night. So he's happy, and I think actually we're going to take these two calves and we're going to move them up to the calf barn because it's warm enough now. They don't need to be down here, do you? You're getting all your cowlicks. They get their heads cleaned up. Yeah, yeah, so that's what we're going to try to do here today, is get those calves, maybe with the exception of the bull calf, get them moved up there, the regular calf barn. It's warm enough, they don't need to be down there. So, yep, that, and getting ready for some more snow again. Okay guys, I'm back. Yeah, as you just saw that I fueled up the tractor. I thought, being a snowstorm was coming, I thought I better just fuel that thing up so I don't have to worry about it running out of fuel, because since the fuel gauge doesn't work, I don't want it to have that happen again. And I gotta give you guys a quick little update too. What was going on with the beans. We actually did get a call from the trucking company this morning about 10:30, anyways, they said at that time that they were going to try and send one truck and, you know, just get one load of beans moved out. And so then about 12:15 they called back and said that it wasn't going to work to get one truck today. Oh, good grief. I don't know, it's probably just that the snowstorm coming, or this blizzard. Actually a blizzard warning, yeah, believe it or not, it's a blizzard warning actually. So I guess that's out of the agenda for today. And the milk hauler has not even been here yet today. I guess the deal is they're trying to switch things around for the blizzard that's coming. And the normal milk hauler that comes to our place, like I say, he didn't come this morning. He normally comes around 100 hours, military type. Yeah, with rates on the thing. And so yeah, and he was supposed to call me last night. He forgot. He called this morning and said that. Anyways, what they're gonna do, he's gonna switch routes, or another milk hauler, another milk hauler that works for the same company. He's gonna come and pick our milk up because he's only got like half loads, for people that got, you know, don't have full tanks of milk. So he's just gonna come pick us up sometime here this afternoon. I'm surprised he hasn't been here yet, but so yeah, we got a little extra milking in our tank, and yeah, I don't know, it's just kind of the way they're doing it. And yeah, so I think we're still gonna try to blow snow up here in the hill yet today, I think. And then if I have any energy by the time we get done with the feeding here today, I'm gonna try to replace that bearing. Feed wagon here too, but excuse me. Oh, things got this a little bit later than I had hoped last night, so I'm just kind of tired today. Quite frankly, I just feel like sleeping right now. Yeah. So yeah, just getting going here with the young stock. Oh, I just get so tired of these beans not getting out of here. Just like I just want to have that worry, you know, gone. It's just added stress have to sit there and worry about when these beans are going to come, when they're going to show up. We have to make sure that this old buds are here. Nobody can take off and go anywhere during the day, or if you got something planned or something going on, you know, somebody's got to be here and we do it at home. And you know, then obviously we got to move a bunch of snow again so they can come in again and get in here. And I just want them to get here before all the snow starts melting. Otherwise, it is going to be one heck of a mess. They need to get here. They just have to make it a priority to get here. Anyways, enough of my complaining. I'm going to get back to the feeding chores here and see what else happens here during the day. So check back with you guys a little bit later. Okay, everyone. I'm up here in the yard. I was just running the leftover stuff from the young stock out into a pile, and all of a sudden this thing jammed up, you know, and this belt started slipping on this pulley here. It got kind of hot earlier. Yeah, there was smoke coming out from back here, so yeah. So it is, so anyways, I think this might have caught in here. The chain or something got caught down there, so I'm going to take this thing off and get it fixed. I got the new bearing. Get it out of here. I got the new one right here, so we'll see how hard this one is. The biggest thing here, I guess, is to get these, get the locking collar off and get the old bearing off. I'm probably going to have to loosen up the chain here a little bit, take off the pressure, and I hope I don't have to get the fire wrench out, but I might have to. Yep, I'm gonna have to get the torch and cut some stuff off here. So that's what I'm doing here right now, and hopefully I don't go too bad. So we'll see what happens here. Gotcha. Well, does anybody have any easy suggestions as to how to get that locking collar off? Anybody? I don't think there's going to be any easy way to get that off. Or is there going to be any ways to get that bearing off? Well, I guess the locking collar, yeah, there should be a notch on here. Normally there's a notch to turn it off on here. But I don't know, maybe it's all in the same thing. This one is, I guess, this one, yeah, I guess it's all one thing, I guess. The locking thing ain't, it's not separate, so I guess it's all got to come off as one. Oh boy. Well, I'll try something here. Because like it can never be easy, can it? Yeah. Well, I guess I'll keep plugging away and see if I can get the darn thing. Come on. Come on, evil dog. Well, I don't really want to have to do it this way, but that's what I did on the other side another time when that bearing went out. So yes, I'm gonna take the cutting torch and I'm gonna cut that turkey off on there, get rid of it. So let's do some cutting with the cutting torch. Got it. Well, I didn't do too bad of a job. I nicked it just a little tiny bit. I can't get the camera in there to show you, but yeah, I just nicked it just a little tiny bit there with the torch. Not bad. Take a little emery cloth and shine it up. But boy, that thing is just, it just gets, that just gets rusty on the inside and it just seizes on there. It's impossible to get. So I'm gonna get some emery cloth, clean it up, and I'm gonna put some anti-seize on that thing just so the next time, you know, it's not gonna come off so hard. That's why they have these Allen wrench things on here to hold it in place so that it doesn't come loose, even though maybe a guy shouldn't put anti-seize on it, but I'm gonna do it anyways because it's always a bear cat when those things are rusted on there. Come on. There we go. Okay, as you saw, I got that thing, I got it greased, so it's good to go. So, but I think as long as I'm working on it and it's a nice day out, well, relatively nice day compared to what it's going to be tomorrow. This riser chain in here, it's got a lot of extra slack in it, so I think I better snug this thing up a little bit. I'm gonna have to close it up as tight as I can get it, but I probably should really take a link out of it, but not today, otherwise it's gonna get gosh dang late. And it's better to tighten it up as much as I can, at least get it that far. So I gotta work on this side here, and I think it's 3/4, and this is 9/16. Yeah. So, you know, I think I'm gonna cheat on this thing. I'm gonna go get the air ratchet. I hate sitting there dinking around wrenches. So that's what I'm gonna do. Whoa! Almost bonked my head on that thing. Ouch! Okay, I'm just getting ready to load. I'm back out here by the bag, and yeah, you saw I got everything lubed up. This chain here, I got as tight as I could get it, but I think eventually we're going to have to take another link out. It's better, a little bit better than it was before, but we're going to have to take a link out here sometime, maybe when it's warmer out. We're just going to have to make it a priority to do that, but it is a little bit better, so yep. So at least we got that bearing fixed. You could definitely feel that there is moisture in the air. It is kind of hazy out here right now. I moved all some of that equipment over there. I guess I told you that yesterday. But yep, I better keep moving because it's supposed to, I think, start snowing tonight. But it is just completely, just really hazy out. There's a lot of moisture in the air, and it, believe it or not, it actually melted just a tiny little bit of snow here. So yeah, and my brother, he got that all blown out over there, and I'll show you here when I get done. When I get done starting up the tractor, when I get done loading the feed wagon here for the cows, I'll run you over there and quick show you what it looks like. He was blowing it out when I was working on that, so I didn't get any video footage of him blowing it out, so sorry about that. But I better get this thing, get the feed wagon loaded up for the cows, get things wrapped up here for the day, because I'm not looking forward to that snow. Oh, it is gonna be a freaking mess again. Oh, when is winter gonna end? Okay, I decided I'm done with loading up the haylage on the feeder wagon, so I decided to quick show you guys what my brother blew out over here. Actually, we just decided to leave the disc there for now. I think it's just gonna be fine the way it is. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So when we get the hay, hopefully next week, that's where we'll put the hay right in here between the Blue Arrow Ford grain truck there and the Kraus disc there. So yep, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, as you saw, I just got done feeding the cows, and so I'm gonna go up and grab a bite to eat here in a little bit as soon as we finish up this video. And yeah, well, at least the feeder wagon worked good. That didn't give us any more problems, so that's nice anyways. So yeah, so I don't know what's going to take place with the weather. It hasn't started snowing yet. It's I don't know, maybe like drizzling out a little bit, so that tells me that the air above us is warmer than the air down here. So it's not like it's freezing though, really. So and then it could be just a little tiny bit, but I don't know. But yeah, well, at least the truckers finally, you know, at least they tried to make an effort to come today. They called us and let us know that they were going to try, and they called when they said they weren't going to make it. But so hopefully next week they come. We shall see. We shall see what's going to happen. I mean, this is getting so old. So old with these guys. Oh, I just wish they'd just come and get it. Oh, I don't know. I wish we had our own rig sometimes to haul, but I don't want to have the time to haul it down there anyway. And it's just we don't got enough stuff to haul with it to justify owning a rig anyway. So yeah. So I guess other than that, we're done for everything for the day except for milking, evening milking again. Oh, I'm tired. Boy, hope that other heifer doesn't calve tonight during milking, and we got to get her in and milk her and feed the calf. Oh, yeah. So tomorrow we'll see if it starts snowing or not, and yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't snow. Hopefully just get drizzle or something like that. Drizzle or rain. Rain would be nice. It would actually melt the snow a little bit. That would be kind of nice. But yeah. Yeah, other than that, there's not really too many other products. I got one other thing I would like to work on. I got to, well, there's this light over here. There's a plug-in that runs up the wall. That's what turns this light on up here. So I would like to do is put a plug-in. I've got the stuff here. I've got that. Come here. I got that and this and that. So yeah, I gotta get that I gotta get that wired up there. There's a wire that runs across to feed all those other lights. You know, just that it's kind of an inconvenience, like say, you know, this is the light switch here. So when you shut that off, that light stays on because that you gotta pull that pull string there to shut it off, on and off. I just want to have it so that light turns on with all the rest. I just converted this over to LEDs last year, so it's so much brighter in here. I'd like to put another one in the middle between those other ones yet, so it'd be even more light, but we'll see. We'll see. So I guess other than that, I'm done for the day. So I'm gonna go up and grab a bite to eat, and I don't know how long this video is even gonna be. So I gotta get my next video put out for you guys. Gonna get that done, and yeah. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, well, give it a thumbs down. And please, if you haven't, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Check out all my other videos, and thanks so much to everybody that has taken the time to hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And don't forget, as long as you're subscribing, to hit that notification bell. That way you know as soon as I put out a new video. Check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. And that's everything, I guess. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I don't know if I'll get a video put out tomorrow or make a video for Saturday or not. I'll see what happens here. So anyways, I gotta go eat, so I'll catch you later.